Hello everybody. If you have a Brita water filter, it has a cartridge inside, and once it's no longer useful, you have to buy another one. It costs $6 or $7. You can use your own charcoal and cut a hole in the top of the filter, but what if you don't have a Brita water filter? Well, almost everybody has a coffee filter or a coffee maker. So let's try turning our coffee maker into a water filter. We're going to use 5 tablespoonfuls of charcoal. Make it 7. Okay. This particular charcoal I got at Walmart. It's Aquatech. It's used in aquariums. It costs about $5.50, and you get 255 grams or 9 ounces. Ordinarily, your water filters for Brita you use for 2 months or 40 gallons. The nice thing about this is once we use it, we're going to have hot water, which will help eliminate some of the chlorine. And when we're done, we're going to be able to put this filter into the refrigerator, or this charcoal in the refrigerator, and it's going to help eliminate the mold or mildew, anything you'd get. Normally the Brita water filters, they have a silver compound that helps eliminate any microbial growth, but we're going to be using the hot water and storing in the refrigerator to reduce our microbial growth. So let's turn this off and come back in a couple of minutes. When you're done, you're going to have a pot of hot charcoal filtered water. It's clear, clean. This is our coffee filter with the charcoal inside this cup, and we're going to store it in this container and store it in the refrigerator until we need it again. I think you're going to be able to save a lot of money using this method, and just about everybody has a coffee maker.